to say the best tasting first form so far out of these three is definitely the Screaming Freedom. It is so good.
This is not a paid ad, guys, but Eric is. I don't know if you can see it on our punch clock right there. 8:52. Eric's cracking open. First form. Welcome to this week's vlog.
Welcome to this week's vlog. I wish it was sponsored by First Form, but it's not. Are you still filming?
Oh yeah.
This Screaming Freedom is incredible, truly incredible. And everything tells me I should not have this at 8:51 in the morning.
Oh, you're 8:52, so you're good.
Oh, it's 8:52?
Yeah, you're good. Traffic. There you go. That's a good sound.
Let's get to work.
So we do have another delivery coming today, which is a little bit more exciting than a U-line order.
Very, very, very flippin' expensive, and it needs to start paying for itself ASAP.
Yeah, so
Start watching our videos.
watch more of these videos, please, so we can pay for this equipment that we just bought, or I should say Eric just bought. Oh, another way that you can help us pay for it is subscribe and order stuff
Notifications
at Drive
on.
Protected. Notifications on. Help us out. All right, that second delivery that's coming today just showed up. This is the one I'm not actually gonna show you guys what's inside.
Blur it out.
Until different day. Yeah, I guess I can just blur it out. So we'll do that.
Editing skills.
I feel like I'm getting a little blocked in here. We got a lot of orders going out this morning. And good thing I don't have to really be at my desk this morning because of those boxes. Technicians are coming to set those up this morning. Actually, should be here momentarily. And then we gotta try to help them get those upstairs here. Very exciting stuff here happening here at Drive Protected this week. All right, guys, there's not a lot this week that we could actually film to show you guys. So I apologize. It was really short, really mainly an unboxing of packages and orders and cool stuff that we got this week. So not a lot that could actually go onto the vlog because we're keeping some stuff in the down low, keeping some stuff from you guys and other people, the public, for a while. But you guys will find out yet. Just hang tight. It's really cool stuff. It's gonna be great. So because of that, we have a short vlog. So make sure you guys just hit that subscribe button. Hopefully next week we got a lot more that we can share with you guys and a lot more that we can film. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.